Kade at breakfast.
Did you bring your
What are you
wallet?
doing, Kade? Yay! Yay! Say hello, everybody. Hello, everybody.
Did you hear him? Oh my God, it's a miracle.
Bye, bye, bye. Don't do the coughing thing. We're on camera again. Yeah, come on. What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Did you bring your wallet with you?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to pay that.
Okay. Hey guys, there's Matthew. What are you doing?
Alright.
Nice jersey you have there.
This is going on Facebook.
Next year they're gonna win. What?
This is going on Facebook.
No, they're not. Who?
Facebook doesn't have
Magda? Magda, can we see your beautiful long hair? Let me see your beautiful long hair. Oh, isn't that pretty? And Magda's new teeth.
And so did Trevor Ariza.
We already do.
Yeah, we'll take, yeah.
I think Howard is better than Shaq.
Da, 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 da.
I think Howard is better than Shaq. I think Howard is better than Shaq.
Upgraded your team, but so did Cleveland.
Yeah, but I think Howard is a better center than Shaq.
You think Dwight Howard's better?
I think he was averaging 19 points a game. He couldn't shut him down. Shaq's old and tired. Shaq is old and tired.
Mommy shoves food in Kade's mouth. Kade's treat.
He's old and tired.
What do you want?
You know what? I still haven't collected on this year's Lakers. I bet everybody $100, and you see who was right and who was wrong.
Get off the Lakers. Get off the Lakers.
How are you getting home, Sue? Sue, how are you getting back to Los Angeles? Can you go?
All right.
You gotta go with the pros, man.
What up?
Kade. Okay, bye-bye.
There you go.
Bye-bye, kid.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I know. He's got the little strap on, but he's got the little security belt
doing down
on.
there?
He's bouncing off of there's like a little rail right here, and he's kicking off of it.
They didn't see it. Magda, you didn't see it?
No.
Oh, look, she put her hair down just for us.
Do you have this locked or is this public?
It's locked.
That better be for your friends only, seriously.
What was that?
Better be your friends only.
It's my friends only. Where else would it be?
Wait, do you know that
The public can look at your stuff.
No, the public can't look.
You have your profile locked?
Yes.
Okay.
You have to agree to be my friend, yeah. Eric,
No, we're not talking
Eric.
about MySpace, we're talking about Facebook.
I'm talking about Facebook.
Why are you having this conversation?
Why are you?
Meeting with the marshal. Meet the marshal.
No, you should see what she, would you title it?
I love my children.
No, Marshall.
I
I love the children.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but in the thing, this is the real Marshalls, because Isaac said this is the real Marshalls, uncensored.
Yeah, and then he does
And
the
then he
bad
pops off
thing.
the camera.
Oh yeah.
But you two are stars in it.
Yeah.
You're all in the kitchen.
I asked Dana, do you have anything to say? And she goes, if you like it, you lemon, squirt them in lime. It was kind of corny.
It is.
Matthew, do you have anything to say on the camera?
What are we supposed to do?
Matthew's living in all on his own with, well, not on his own. Magda and Matthew are setting up house together now. How's house setting up? How's it going?
It's amazing.
It's amazing? Have you guys cooked a meal yet?
Yes. We made.
What'd you make?
We made chips salsa.
Chips and salsa.
Microwave sliders the other day.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, so you guys have a microwave?
Yes, we do.
All right.
Oh God, yours is funny.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. All right. Here.
What are you
All right.
making him scream for? What's
No,
going
he
on?
wants out. He's going.
Yeah, you can get him out. Here, let me
Take him up to that
There you go.
Yay! gonna go see the bird.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
Kade, does he like the bird?
Because I'm not afraid of no bird. Said I laugh at that bird.
Hey, baby boy. Hi, baby boy.
I laugh at
I'm
birds.
still looking at the bird. Let me see those teeth. Let's see those teeth, Missy. Hey, let me see the teeth.
Say, hey, paparazzi.
Kade.
Say, Grandma paparazzi. Get that out of my face.
Kade.
Grandma paparazzi.
Kade. Let me see your teeth.
Paparazzi.
Yeah, I got his teeth.
You guys bottom.
I got his teeth.
Look here.
Kade. God, he's got this like chocolate. Hey, baby boy. He doesn't care anything about the camera. He's got a big drool. Okay. Adios. Bye-bye.